Hey everyone, from ProCoders here. Today, we want to talk about business intelligence, or BI developers. If you're in the tech world, you know how necessary BI is for making data-driven decisions. But what exactly does a BI developer do? What skills do they need? And how can you hire the right one? Let's break it down. First up, who's a BI developer? In a nutshell, BI developers turn raw data into valuable insights that businesses can act on. They design, develop, and maintain systems that help companies understand trends, measure performance, and make strategic decisions. So, if you've ever used a dashboard to check company metrics, a BI developer is likely behind it. Now let's talk about the key skills a great BI developer should have. First on the list is data analysis. BI developers need to interpret complex data sets, find patterns, and present findings clearly. Next, they need strong skills in database management and SQL. Most BI tools rely on databases, so knowing SQL is a must. Additionally, they should know popular BI tools like Power BI, Tableau, or Looker. These platforms allow them to create reports and dashboards that turn data into visual insights. Another skill that's essential is programming knowledge, especially in languages like Python or R. These are often used for data manipulation, automation, and more advanced analytics tasks. And of course, communication skills are key. BI developers work closely with other teams to understand their data needs and communicate insights. So being able to explain data findings in simple terms is a huge plus. Alright, so you know what a BI developer does and the skills they need. But how do you hire a great one? Here are some tips. First, look for candidates with a strong foundation in both technical and analytical skills. They should be comfortable working with data, but also with presenting it in a way that makes sense to non-technical teams. Next, evaluate their experience with BI tools. Whether it's Power BI, Tableau, or another platform, hands-on experience is essential. During the interview, consider giving them a practical test. Ask them to interpret some sample data and create a simple report or visualization. This will show you how they handle real-world tasks. Another thing to consider is cultural fit. A BI developer works closely with many teams, so look for someone who's a good communicator, collaborative, and open to feedback. Ask them about a time they used data to solve a business problem or had to work with a team to understand their data needs. Their answers will give you insight into how they approach their work. Lastly, consider their approach to continuous learning. BI is a rapidly evolving field, with new tools and techniques coming out all the time. Ask candidates how they stay updated, whether through courses, certifications, or community involvement. To wrap up, hiring a BI developer isn't just about finding someone who's good with data. It's about finding someone who can translate that data into valuable insights, work well with different teams, and keep growing as the field evolves. Thanks for tuning in. If this video helped you understand the BI developer role a bit better, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and drop any questions in the comments. See you in the next video.